Hey, what's up? Today we're going to be doing an RCA job on a Technics 1200 turntable. So pay attention, you'll be doing these in your sleep in no time. We're going to be going over some really great information that you can use on all sorts of different projects besides 1200s that you might be working on. So we'll see you at the end. All right, so we're going to be doing an RCA swap here at the shop on a Technics 1200. We're going to do this super live, so anything can happen. So this is going to be, I think, a really great experiment, and we're going to see what we run into. We'll see if we run into any special problems or anything like that. So first thing I'm going to do is give this a quick clean because I see some really gross bugs on the bottom of this. Gross. In fact, let's use our COVID-19 gloves, shall we? All right, so let's undo some screws here. I already pulled 2 of them out. Right. Oh, nice. So gross. Yum, yum. Look at all of this gross stuff. Those are bug bits. Those are bits of bugs. We're going to clean them out. Okay, so what you just saw there was cleaning out cockroach carcasses from these turntables. But we see tons of turntables and DJ gear that comes from clubs that oftentimes have a restaurant or some food service there. And so, of course, wherever there's food, there's going to be bugs. But the interesting thing about cockroaches are their leftovers corrode the metal. It's really distinct. There's little bits of, you can see corrosion, it looks like rust on this piece of metal right here where my thumb is moving. We definitely see a lot of drink spills, but this is different.